If you want an easy way for people to book time with you, then learning how to create a Google Calendar booking link is a super useful skill. This is perfect for meetings, consultations, interviews, coaching calls, or anytime you want others to reserve a time slot without going back and forth over email. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to create your booking link, customize your schedule, and then share it with anyone you want. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best on desktop because that's where the appointment schedule feature is easiest to find and set up. Once Google Calendar loads, look toward the top and click Create. From the menu that appears, choose Appointment Schedule. This is the feature that allows you to build a booking page where other people can pick a time from your availability. Next, you'll need to enter the title for your booking page. You can name it something simple and clear, like consultation call, team meeting, or discovery session, depending on what you want people to book. After that, set your available dates and times. This is where you decide when people are allowed to schedule with you, so make sure your times match your actual availability. You can customize the days and hours you want to offer, which gives you full control over when bookings can happen. Once that's done, choose the appointment duration. This is the length of each booking slot, and it can be anything that fits your workflow, such as 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. If you need different types of appointments, you may want to create separate booking pages for each one. Then move on to your availability settings, booking settings, and meeting location. In this section, you can fine-tune how the booking link behaves. You can set how far in advance people can book, whether you want buffer time between meetings, and how many appointments you want to allow per day. You can also choose the meeting location, such as a Google Meet link, a phone call, or an in-person location, depending on how you want the appointment to take place. Take a moment here to review everything carefully, because these settings control how smooth the booking process will be for both you and the person scheduling. When everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will now create your appointment schedule and generate your booking page. After saving, open the appointment schedule you just created and look for the option to copy link. Click that and Google Calendar will copy your booking link to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into emails, messages, websites, social media bios, or anywhere else you want people to book time with you, and that's it. You've now created a Google Calendar booking link and shared it with others. This is one of the simplest ways to let people schedule meetings with you while keeping your calendar organized and professional. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.